Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class on coordination chemistry. Last class we have discussed about trans effect. Now we will discuss about applications of trans effect. The trans effect can be applied in selectively synthesizing the square planar complexes of platinum 2. We can synthesize a cis complex or a trans complex of platinum. There are various examples for this. If we want synthesize cis, we can exclusively synthesize cis without trans complex. If we want to synthesize trans, we can exclusively synthesize a trans complex without uh, any percent or any amount of cis complex. Not only synthesis, we can also distinguish between cis and trans complexes. You know, if we bought two bottles without any name, then how do we distinguish between cis and trans? That is also possible using trans effect. First, we will look at this application and then we will see synthesis. Now, for example, if we have a complex of diamine dichloroplatinum 0, there are two possibilities. One is cis complex, other one is trans complex. One is cis complex, other one is trans complex. When we add thiourea to this, of course, you know the structure of thiourea. This is thiourea. Please look at the strength of these ligands according to trans effect. Among the given three ligands, thiourea, ammonia, and chlorine, thiourea is the strongest, then chlorine, then ammonia. So the strength here is among these three ligands, thiourea is the strongest, then ammonia, then chlorine ligand. Now, how do we distinguish between cis and trans complexes of these two complexes using thiourea ligand? Now, when we add thiourea to this complex, what happens? Thiourea is a nucleophile. Now, when we look at trans effect series, ammonia, chloride is stronger than ammonia. When we look at the trans effect series, chloride ligand is stronger than ammonia. That means chloride will form a stable bond with platinum. As a result, this trans bond, ammonia, will become weak. Ammonia platinum bond will become weak. So this is an unstable bond, this is a stable bond according to trans effect series. Similarly, this chlorine will also generate a strong bond between with the platinum. As a result, the platinum ammonia bond becomes weak. Now, we have two stable bonds and a two unstable, less stable bonds trans to these chlorines. When we add thiourea acts as a nucleophile. Thiourea acts as a nucleophile. Then it will undergo a nucleophilic substitution reaction. It will undergo a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, which ligand will be replaced? Either chlorine ligand or ammonia ligand. When we try to do a nucleophilic substitution with thiourea, then which ligand will be replaced, either chlorine ligand or ammonia ligand? Yes, it is ammonia ligand. Why? Why? Because platinum chlorine bond is strong according to trans effect series. Platinum ammonia. Ammonia is a trans to chlorine, so it will make it weak bond. So in this case, when we add two equivalents of thiourea, the two ammonia ligands will be replaced with the thiourea. The two ammonia ligands will be replaced with the thiourea. Here ammonia and thiourea both are neutral ligands. So overall charge, there will be no change in the overall charge, plus 2 ammonia molecule. Now look at this. Among chlorine and thiourea is a strong trans effect ligand. So as a result, thiourea will form a stable bond or strong bond with platinum, and it makes this trans bond weak. That means the platinum chlorine bond will become weak. So when we add two more equivalents of thiourea, what happens? These two chlorines will also be replaced. These two chlorines will also be replaced. So when we start with cis complex, what happened? In the first instance, two ammonia ligands which were trans to chlorine, these two ligands were replaced with thiourea. And when we add two more equivalents of thiourea, the chlorine ligands which were placed trans to thiourea, they were also replaced. Here platinum is in 2 plus oxidation state and the two chlorines were eliminated. Now, overall, when we take cis complex, four thiourea molecules were substituted in the place of all chlorine and ammonia ligands. Now, we will check this with the trans complex. When we take two equivalents of thiourea. See, in the trans complex, chlorine is trans to chlorine, ammonia is trans to ammonia. That means the trans ligands are same. Trans ligands are same. If these two ligands are same, then these two bonds are having same strength. These two bonds are having same strength. So this cannot influence this bond, or this bond cannot influence this. Similarly, here also, both chlorines, same chlorine, so these two bonds are having same strength. Here we do not have any trans effect because the trans ligands are same. But here chlorine is a good leaving group. Chlorine is a good leaving group. Chlorine is a good leaving group. As a result, thiourea will replace both these chlorines. Thiourea will replace both these chlorines. Here the substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction is purely due to the good leaving nature of chlorines. It is not because of the trans effect, remember. Now we are placing two thiourea molecules, 2 plus Cl minus. Now if we want to further replace these ammonia molecules, is it possible? Is it possible to replace the ammonia ligands with thiourea in this case? No, in this case it is not possible. Why? Why? Because ammonia are not good leaving groups. Here chlorine, both chlorines are good leaving groups, so they were replaced, they were substituted with the thiourea. Whereas in this case, thiourea and thiourea are trans to each other. That means these two bonds are having same strength. Similarly, these two ammonia, which are related with diagonally, which are placed trans to each other, these two bonds are also having same strength. Hence, here we do not observe any trans effect. So There is no possibility of substituting these two ammonia ligands with thiourea. Now look at the overall two reactions. When we treat cis complex with thiourea, all the four ligands are replaced, whereas when we treat trans complex with thiourea, only two ligands, that means the two good leaving chloride ligands are replaced with thiourea. Now, how do we yeah, when we draw the reaction scheme, we can explain it. In this case, four thiourea molecules are involved in the reaction. Here, only two thiourea molecules are involved. But how do we explain it experimentally? Experimentally. Now, after the reaction, you just take the precipitate. You just take the precipitate, purify the precipitate and weigh it. The precipitate amount weight here and here, they will be different because thiourea is a large molecule which is having high molecular weight. Now, you start with the same molarity. Say for example, start with 1 molar solution of cis complex, 1 molar solution of cis trans complex. Start with the same molarity because molecular formula is same. When we say molarity, please all keep your videos off. All of you, please keep your videos off. When we start with same molarity, then the number of moles in these two molecules is same. Now, at the end of the reaction, you take same concentration of thiourea also. Thiourea here and thiourea here, you take same concentration. Though we took same concentration, here 4 equivalents of thiourea will be utilized, whereas here only 2 equivalents of thiourea will be utilized. So when we measure the weight of this complex and this complex will weigh more compared to this. From the weight difference, we can clearly say that the complex which is giving high weight is a cis complex. The complex which is giving low weight is a trans complex. So how do we do this experimentally? Just take equimolar of a cis complex in a solution and a trans complex in another solution. Add equimolar thiourea in both solutions. We will get a precipitate after the reaction is completed, then purify the precipitate and weigh the precipitate. Cis complex will give high weight, whereas trans complex will give low weight. So this is how we can distinguish between cis and trans complexes using trans effect. We will look at the synthesis of cis and trans complexes exclusively using trans effect. To synthesize these complexes, we have two possibilities. We can start with tetrachloroplatinate 2 complex, or we can start with tetraamine platinum 2 complex. We will look at one by one. When we start with tetrachloroplatinate 2 complex and we want to synthesize either cis and trans. Now, we need to add ammonia ligand here. Ammonia ligand will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Ammonia will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. One of the Cl minus will be leaving. In the first case, Cl acts as a good leaving group. Cl acts as a good leaving group. So when we add ammonia to this solution, what happens? One of the chlorine ligand will be replaced. One of the chlorine ligand will be replaced with ammonia. Since one Cl minus is leaving, we will have 1 minus. So there is no trans effect here, right? So first we have replaced one chlorine ligand with ammonia. Now we will add one more ammonia molecule. Again, it will undergo nucleophilic substitution. Now what we will get, whether we get a cis complex or a trans complex, that we need to understand from the trans effect series. Now when we look at the trans effect series, chloride is a strong trans effect ligand than ammonia ligand. That means chloride will form strong bond with metal and it can easily influence the trans bond. In this case, for example, chlorine will form a strong bond with platinum. As a result, this ammonia will become weak. Ammonia will become weak. But if we want to replace ammonia with ammonia, then there is no change, right? We will get the same product. Is it possible to replace this chlorine? No, it is not possible. Why? Why? Because chlorine is a strong trans-affecting ligand than ammonia. So chlorine forms a strong bond with the platinum than ammonia. So replacing this ammonia will not change the product. It is not possible to replace this chlorine. Then what is the other possibility? We can replace either this chlorine or this chlorine. We can replace either this chlorine or this chlorine, any one chlorine. If you replace this chlorine or this chlorine, it will give the same product. It will give the same product. For example, if this chlorine is replaced, then what did we get? We get a cis complex. What is the product? We got cis complex. Is it possible to get a trans complex here? Trans not possible. If you want to have trans, this chlorine has to be replaced. Is it possible? No. According to trans effect series, chlorine is a strong trans affecting ligand than ammonia. So a chlorine which is a trans to ammonia cannot be replaced. Reverse is possible. That means ammonia which is a trans to chlorine, it can be replaced, but this cannot be replaced. Similarly, we will start with the tetraamine platinum 2 complex. All ammonia ligands are neutral, platinum is in +2. Now, we will start with replacing one chloride ligand. It will undergo nucleophilic substitution. It will undergo nucleophilic substitution. Now, one of the chlorine will replace ammonia. In the first instance, there is no problem. Just replace one ammonia ligand. Nucleophilic substitution. Since we are adding one minus charge, it becomes 1 plus. Now, when we try to add one more, when we try to do one more nucleophilic substitution reaction with the chloride ligand, now which ligand will be replaced? If you want to try to replace Cl, there is no use. Replacing Cl will give the same product. Now, among these three ammonia ligands, which ammonia ligand can be replaced? See here, when we look at the trans-affecting series, chloride is a strong trans-affecting ligand than ammonia. That means chlorine forms a strong bond and the ligand which is trans to it will become weak. Ligand trans to it will become weak. When you look at these two are ammonia ligands, same ligands. That means this bond and this bond are having same strength. But here, this bond is stable bond, this bond is weaker bond. So as a result, what happens? The ammonia, which is a trans to chlorine, will be replaced. Ammonia, which is trans to chlorine, will be replaced with another chlorine. So what we are getting? We are getting a trans product. We are getting a trans product. Is it possible to get a cis product here? If we want to get cis product, either this ammonia ligand or this ammonia ligand has to be replaced. Is it possible here? No. Here, the ammonia ligand which is placed trans to chlorine is weak. It is labile. So it can be easily substituted with another nucleophile. So as a result, we are getting trans product. We are not observing any cis product. So when we have a knowledge of trans directing series, then we can prepare either cis complex or trans complex exclusively without any mixtures.